new video of Team Tries. Today we're gonna ride Troy in Toverland, a GCI wooden roller coaster. Yes, built in 2007, I believe. And but every year they do a retrack or refix everything of this roller coaster. So yeah, they need it. So it's actually the only wooden roller coaster that has nothing with metal.
It's pure wooden.
Yeah, it's pure wooden.
100%
not
pure.
hybrid anymore. No, not hybrid.
No hybrido.
No, like the original Drake in Efteling is hybrid, and also they use a Titan track, I believe it. So in this Troy, they don't use it. So yeah.
And this is one of my favorite roller coasters.
Yeah, wooden roller coaster is your favorite.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah. So yeah. Should we go fast going inside? Because I cannot wait to ride Troy.
So come with us, huh?
Okay.
Hello, and see you later.
A full review after our rides. See you soon.
Tegen mijn bril?
Wat?
Tegen mijn bril duwen, van voor.
Van voor?
Ja. Ja. voor ritje, hè? Yes. Parking, hè? Oh yeah!
Oh, we just had a ride on Troy. Wow.
Whoa.
It was so intense, so fast. Yes. Wow, wow.
I'm laughing a lot. I have painful in my face.
Yeah.
It's laughing and yelling and
Wow, no, I really like it. I really like
good
it.
one.
I think this is one of the best roller coasters, wooden roller coasters, wooden roller coasters in Europe. Yes, you hear it. You hear it. One in Europe. Of course, this is one of the best. I really like this one because it's so intense, so fast. It's so
Muy buena.
a little bit aggressive, also a little bit in the corners.
It's powerful.
Yeah, it's really powerful. So
You feel
yeah.
everything. Airtime many times.
You have some great airtime. You're flying out of the sheet. So
Yeah,
it's
it's nice.
really,
It's
really,
nice.
amazing. So if you do Troy already, just give your comment below. How do you think about Troy? Is it intense for you, or is it too much for you even? For us, it's perfect. We want to do it again.
I love it.
Yeah, I want to do it again.
Please.
Yeah.
Please.
So if you like this video, just put your thumbs up
And continue see, eh?
and subscribe also, because we need you. We need you. So see you for the next video in whatever theme park we're gonna see. We're gonna see it. I don't know yet.
Of course.
But see you to the next video. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.